All right. Today I'm going to be making spaghetti from scratch. The first thing you're going to need is whole grain spaghetti. I'm on the healthier side, so you know me, I'm going to eat healthier with whole grain. You're going to need some tomato paste. Right here I have some freshly squeezed tomato paste in a can. Some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Some basil, and some garlic powder. All right, let's get started. All right, first you're gonna put some water in a pot, and you are gonna bring it to a boil. All right, once the water has come to a boil, I'm just gonna add half the container of spaghetti. That's all I'm gonna eat today. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. So I'm just gonna pull out about half of it and put the noodles inside of the pot of boiling water. All right, so once I have half of it in there, I'm just gonna shift it around to make sure that all of the noodles get into the water and so it cooks evenly. And I'm gonna let this cook until it gets to al dente. Once it's al dente, I'll take it out, strain it, and I'll add sauce to it. All right, after about 7 minutes, I'm gonna check to see if it's al dente. It is, so I'm gonna strain the water. Strain some of the water, not all of the water, and I'll show you why in just a minute. So I'm straining a little bit. See my fork from it all going down. So I'm gonna leave about like half a cup of water in there, quarter cup of water in there. And then I'm gonna turn the stove down to a medium low. Get that down in there. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a couple of spoonfuls of this tomato paste, put it in there, shake it around a little bit. And then I'm gonna take some garlic powder, sprinkle some of that on top. Get it around in there real good. And some people add sugar into it. So I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar into it. I have a sugar cube. I'm actually gonna get like 2 sugar cubes, put them in there, brown sugar. You can use white sugar or yellow sugar or sugar if you need to. So I have that in there. Then I'm gonna pour a little bit of basil, all right? Basil, you can use basil or you can use oregano. Just a little bit, put that in there. Some people add salt. I don't add salt to my spaghetti. And a little bit of olive oil. And maybe a touch more of garlic. All right, and so once you have it in there like that, you're just gonna stir it around a little bit. Make sure the tomato paste gets in the water. Stir it a little bit like that. You see how it's starting to blend down, starting to thin up a little bit. If you need to, you can add a little bit more water to it if you don't like it so thick. And just keep on swirling around like that. You see that? And it begins to mix together. Sometimes people can add a little cheese. And voila. That's how you make spaghetti from scratch. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot. Guys, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Talk to you next time.